long. I like that pullback. I had to get me some on long. I don't see anything but upside from here, right? If we were going to stay short, we would have held that 42.14. And then this dump right here, we didn't reclaim the 42.14, right? We didn't dump into it. We didn't reclaim it. We just dumped back into it. I sold a couple there. Again, just pay myself. Definitely taking some more profits off here into 55.
Orders filled.
I'm gonna take a little more off into 55. I'm down to 2 contracts on the one. Already paid myself well. I want to hang on to these 2 contracts. They're in the money, fat, still in the money. I'm gonna put a profit stop on them, a little over break even, and try to carry those 2 on into the close. I just think that, or not in, maybe not into the close, but we'll see where we close. I'd love to carry them into tomorrow for cash settle, right? If we can close bullish, same price. Got 10 points out of those things, man. 11 points. Actually, I got 11 points out of them.